Good morning, guys. Bill McMillan here with you on IndyWX.com. Happy Friday to you, and I tell you what, it's hard to believe we're talking the middle part of June. The temperature is generally in the middle and upper 40s here across central Indiana as we start our Friday, yes, here on June 14th. Upper 40s have been reported not only in the high country of the East Tennessee mountains in western North Carolina, but all the way into the North Georgia mountains even this morning, so just hard to believe. We're talking the middle part of June, but we'll take it. High pressure remains in control of our weather today. That will supply dry conditions through the daytime and into the evening, but changes loom thereafter. As we look at the visible satellite, nothing but wall-to-wall sunshine right now. Generally, plentiful sunshine can be expected through the daytime, though we will notice increasing clouds late this afternoon and on into the evening hours, and showers will follow later tonight and into the day on Saturday. Question how much of this initially will reach the ground. We've got this dry air mass in place, so I think we do stay dry this evening, but as we move into the overnight, light rain will develop and turn heavier, more widespread and concentrated as we go into Saturday morning, and this is just the start of what will be a rather wet and at times stormy weekend with periods of heavier rain and thunderstorms moving across central Indiana through the weekend and on into early parts of next week. Much more around the details around rainfall amounts, timing, etc. can be found on IndyWX.com All Access, as well as a look ahead to the overall pattern as we wrap up the month of June. We'll talk with you soon.